Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, I'm standing on board a brand new 24 Boston Whaler 325 Conquest. I have to point this out because the camera's on the dock. Guys, you can barely see it, but this boat has got a very, very special green color on it. Something that I absolutely love. I've sold a few Whalers with it. It's a gorgeous boat in the sunlight. But honestly, the colors, the motors, none of that's really the story here. You remember when you were a kid and you took 20 bucks and half a tank of fuel and thought you could go anywhere? That's this boat. That's what a 325 Conquest is. Windy day, sunny day, it doesn't matter. You want to jump in the boat, you want to go to Key West? Go right now. Epic upgrade from Mercury. 400 V10s at the back. Guys, this boat's got the hustle, but it's got fuel efficiency. You've got every fishing amenity you could ever hope for. Additional seating hidden under the gunnels. A massive tuna door. Insulated coolers at your feet. This well right here at my toe, guys, that is specific to a table that sits in the cockpit. Huge ladder hidden under the rear seat that'll give you great access out of that tuna door. Tons of storage here. And something I really like, guys, that's nothing more than a footrest. When this seat is faced back, whether you're relaxing with friends or you're watching the spread, that's all that's for. Make that person or those people comfortable. Got a great wet bar here. Sink. You've got a fantastic refrigerator underneath here. Guys, even a little bit of storage with a trash can. I know it's so mundane, but it's something you really got to think about. This whole seat on the port side of this boat slides. It's the coolest seating I think Whaler has ever done. And what happens when this slides over this is that you actually can fill the center and you get yourself 2 rows of seating. Guys, it's such a cool spot that you can actually set up in the cabin or in the helm deck area, this 32, a spot for all these people to sit. You can put 4, 5, maybe squeeze more than that. And when it's the other way, you have a fantastic dinette area up here on deck, which is awesome for all the time. Amazing helm. Absolutely amazing helm. Chasing fish, finding your way to the Keys. Anything you can possibly hope to have is right there. The joystick system gets absolutely better with age, and nothing has changed there. You've got vents for your windshield, overhead hatches. Guys, this boat is comfortable in a wealth of different situations. And then we haven't even finished rigging this boat. You can see so many of the pieces from the factory, filler cushions, shore power cords, all that. But this cabin down below is incredibly well appointed for a boat of this size. From a galley area to a VHF and stereo controls brought down below here, guys, to a stand-up wet head that is actually big enough for a 6-foot person to work in, actually change. Bed under the deck, hanging locker. There is so much. That's what makes a 325 so cool. There is so much detail and thought put into this boat to make it do anything at the drop of a finger. There's even a sun pad on the bow. If you want to know a little bit more or find yours, I'm Jeremiah. This is MarineMax Sarasota. Guys, look forward to talking.